How to freeze location on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the privacy and security option you see there. Further, tap on the location services option and then tap on the share my location option you see there. Further, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for share my location. This will keep your last shared location visible to friends or remove your location completely. Now, in Settings and Privacy again, tap on Location Services and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for Location Services. With this, your iPhone will stop sending any GPS updates and apps either show your last known location or say location unavailable. Next, scroll down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here, go ahead and enable airplane mode, as enabling airplane mode cuts all network and GPS signals, freezing your last known location temporarily. So enable airplane mode and then disable it again after some time. Next, launch the settings application again, and if you want to disable location for a specific app, then you can simply tap on the apps option on the bottom of your screen and then tap on the app name from where you want to disable the location. Further, tap on the location option you see there and then select the never or ask next time option you see there. So, this is how you can freeze location on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.